What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a community service. Is that what you call it, I guess? But anyway, I had this client that I fixed the push more for, and while I was there, she was telling me that she has to keep the back of her privacy fence up, and lately she's been getting charged $50 if she go without a month without getting it cut. So I told her that I have a walk behind brush cutter that I recently just fixed and that I needed to try out. So today we're going to take the brush cutter right here and we're going to cut the back of her fence for her. So you know, I do work on lawnmowers, but I also like to help as many people as I can. So we're going to get it unloaded, and I'm going to take you back here and we're going to get this back of this fence cut. Stay tuned. find any value in this video, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to my YouTube channel for future reviews and small engine repair tips. Once again, thanks for watching. A classic today, a Robin NB253. It's a classic weed eater. Some of you guys might know about it, some of you guys might not. Pretty good weed eater. was able to get it done. She got her lawnmower and we was able to get the back cut. Took us probably about 30 minutes, but we was able to get it done. So until next time, remember to help somebody if you can. Peace.